Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video on this channel. I create videos about big money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are interested in this type of topic, then this is the channel for you. Just press the subscribe button and watch all this content. After watching this video, you can check out the other videos on my channel which will provide you a ton of value about big money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So today I'm going to show you how you can promote a Clickbank product very easy, very simple, and in such a niche that which has a very low competition. So it would be very easy for you to promote the product. Okay, so first of all we'll go to Clickbank. Okay, once you go to Clickbank, you just go to here over marketplace. Okay, once we come to marketplace, go to Clickbank, go to marketplace. That's simple. Okay, if you don't have an account on Clickbank, I just suggest you to create one because it requires some of your names as well as some of your bank details, and just you are ready with the Clickbank account and you can promote whatever products are available on this network for you for any of the category which you want to provide. Just go to this category, arts and entertainment. Okay, just click on this first program. This is piano for all. Okay, this is one of the best programs which you can promote because you get paid 22.79 commissions every single time you make a sale, and this has a gravity of over 57 because it is very good gravity and this product is selling very nice. So you just have to do this. Okay, just promote this product. Just click on the promote, get your affiliate link. That's it. Now we'll go to affiliate page of this program. What is the benefit of going to this affiliate page? One of the best thing about this program is it provides you all the things which you require to promote this program. Okay, now see here how to choose piano. Why choose? Because it has all this offer. Okay, how much could you earn? So you earn approximately $21 to $27 for every single sale you make of this program. How do I get started? Just you can get started here with Clickbank. Just create an ID, sign up, and then do it. Everything is given here. You have all the banner ads. If you want to do paid advertising with it, then you get all this over here. You have this promotional videos. What you can do of this promotional video? You just have to download this promotional videos and you can upload it to your own channel and provide an affiliate link of this program in the description. Okay, that's also a possibility. Okay, now see here, you have got everything. You have got a review article over here. You can use this review articles and create a video using this software Content Samurai, which is free for 7 days. Okay, you just have to copy the link of this article and just go to Content Samurai and just import it over there, and you can create videos regarding that article with this software. This is very simple. It is an artificial intelligence based software, so it creates video on its own for you. You just have to do importing your article and that's it. Okay, so you can use this software to do that for you. Okay, so this is also that for 7 days you can create unlimited videos for 7 days for free. I don't suggest you to get the paid version because it's not at all a requirement. You just need to create 10 to 20 videos in 7 days, which is very easy, and you can definitely create it. If you find it difficult how to create video and Content Samurai, just go to YouTube and search for Content Samurai tutorials and you will find everything which you need to make a video with this software. Okay, for 7 days it's absolutely free. Okay, then we went. Okay, now you can see here review text. You also have got a review article text and everything is over there. Piano related articles, you also find the article here. What you have to do is just go to Content Samurai and create one video regarding all these things: articles, review text, promotional videos, and you can use this both videos on your YouTube channel and other videos which you create through Content Samurai, and give the link of this product, affiliate link of this product in the description. Okay, now if you want to run Google ads, then there is also keyword. All these keywords are given here for Google, which you can use all these keywords while creating a video on YouTube, and you will definitely get some traffic because all these are targeted keywords which are given by this software itself. So you just have to create first video on easy piano lesson, second on learn piano, third on how to play the piano, fourth on piano chords. Just you have to create content regarding all this keywords and just go and take this content. Now I will be telling you where you will find content related to this type of stuff. First of all, you have two contents over here. Okay, so two videos, you got it over here. Now I will tell you where you will find other content you will create using Content Samurai. And for some more content, you can just go to YouTube. Okay, you can just go to here, you can type piano lessons. Okay, piano lessons for beginners. Okay, just click on that. Now just click on this filter button and go for the Creative Commons. Okay, once you click Creative Commons, here are the steps, or these are some of the steps of piano lessons which you can use re-upload to your YouTube channel and again start doing this. See, it gets 237 views, but we are not gonna earn via monetization on this. We are just going to earn by affiliate links which we are placing in the description of this video. So it is very easy for you to create content and this type of stuff. Okay, so you just have to download some of this Creative Commons videos and again upload it to your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's very simple, that's very easy. Most of the people know how to download this. I'm just gonna tell you that you just have to copy the link of this particular video, whichever you want to download. For example, okay, I just have to find here piano related lessons for beginners. Okay, now if I want this videos to be downloaded, okay, then I will just click on this video, just go here and click on copy. Okay, I will just click on copy. I will copy the video link. Now I will go to a website which is known as savefrom.net. en.savefrom.net. Okay, just enter. Then you will come to this site. You just have to paste your link over here, YouTube video link, and just you can download this video. Okay, and then upload it to your YouTube channel again. Okay, that's simple. Now after you upload all these videos, you found Creative Commons videos and you also uploaded those to your YouTube channel, and now you are ready for the video. Now I will tell you how you can promote this product in another way apart from YouTube. Okay, after you create a YouTube video, you can go, okay, you have uploaded YouTube videos, one of your traffic source for this affiliate offer is ready. Now I'm going to tell you what are the other traffic sources. That is Quora.com. You just have to find here a question, search in the Quora. If you don't have an account, create an account and just search piano. Okay, once you have searched the piano, there are many of the people who are interested in this type of stuff. See, what do people wish they knew about playing a piano? See, this is the question which you can here place an answer, and just you just have to give a link of your video in this answer. I don't suggest you to directly paste your affiliate link on Quora because your account may get banned. So you just have to do what is that you just have to get your videos on YouTube and paste your YouTube video link over here, and you can promote answer all these questions and just paste your YouTube video link over here. See, here is the question: is piano learning easy? You just can answer this and paste your YouTube video link on this, and definitely you will receive traffic because once you start answering these questions, just keep a target that you can answer 10 questions every day, and you will definitely start getting traffic on your YouTube channel, and definitely you will receive some of the sales in a week or two. Just it's a method which works in 1 week or 2 weeks. It will take some time to generate sales and to generate profit, but it definitely works, and this is a 100% working method. See, I have answered this question and got a link here, and just got the link and pasted it over here, and it appeared like this. Okay, you just have to answer like this, okay, on Quora, and you can definitely make a good amount of views on YouTube as well as via affiliate marketing. Then if you want to create videos just like importing articles, you can use this software, this Content Samurai. yeah, you can find Content Samurai tutorials on YouTube and just watch them and learn how to create videos using this software. And you can create videos very easy. If you don't know how to use, if you are even a beginner, you can definitely do this, because this is the easiest software which you can use to create videos, okay, on YouTube. And that's it. This is the simplest method which you can utilize. I suggest you to work on this method for 1 or 2 weeks so that you can definitely receive sales. No one is going to tell you that you can, I'm not going to say you will get rich quick with this method, or you can earn a very big amount of money, but you can definitely earn almost $1,000 a month with this method, using this strategy for a month and consistently working on it. That's it. Practically, I'm saying you everything can be done, and this is possible, okay? And this method definitely works if you put your work in it. And you just have to work almost 1 hour a day, and you can definitely do this. So if you like this video, then press the subscribe button as well as like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, good night, goodbye, and stay subscribed to my channel, because I create content like this every single day.